So just a little bit of a teaser here of the upcoming plumbing part of the cargo trailer camper conversion series. I got this all tested out. I want to make sure it's completely watertight and it could be powered by the EB3A solar generated power bank, which no problems at all. The pump only draws roughly 60 to 90 watts max on DC 12 volt power. Had no issues using the EB3A power station, which is solar generated for power, and it works great. And I also got an accumulation tank here along with the pump, so it's not constantly kicking on and off. I also got a water filter here if there are any particulates, it doesn't get clogged into the pump and into the strainer of the faucet about to install. But just kind of a teaser here of what's about to come. I wanted to show a quick video of this before I installed it and did the official video. But kind of give you an idea of how this works. So I got an ultra deep sink here for the RV, and I got this it's an RV drain conversion kit, and I have a link in the description box below on all this, actually, even the quick connects. But you can see how this works. So this is at least with the quick connects. This is for obviously waste, do not drink, and it works slick. I tested all this, it's completely watertight. Like I said, the video on this is about to come. Just kind of give you an idea. This does not have an extension on it, so obviously it's just waste. It's just going to dump in here. And these containers are 5 gallons. I'm glad I went with 5 gallons and not any bigger, because when these are fully full of water, they're pretty heavy, pushing almost 50 pounds. But these also have a vent tube here, so make sure you can vent these out, so whatever water goes in, air's got to come out. Same goes with the drinkable water here. In order to suck the water out, you need a vent to allow air to come in, otherwise it just won't work. But this is about to come. I just want to give you a quick display of what this kind of looks like before I install it all. But just kind of give you a quick lowdown here. This has an extension tube on it, so I'm going to show how all this is done here in the upcoming video once this is all installed. But this works really slick, and same goes with this. Quick connect, you can just pop this off, pop it back on. You just swap out the cap for the other, I think I bought 3 other ones for water. So we have 4 total 5-gallon jugs, 20 total gallons of water. And it's all quick connects on both the drinkable water and wastewater. And the water comes up through here, goes through the water filter, goes through the pump, which has an automatic on and off. So once it fully pressurizes, it shuts off. And then this water flows through here into the accumulation tank. This is kind of a mini water pressure tank, so this isn't constantly turning on and off. And then this comes down to this tube, which comes to a splitter, and this will split off on the faucet hot and cold waters. Being that we're not using hot water, we're just doing cold. I still got to hook up the hot and cold, so regardless if I have the faucet turned to hot or cold, it's just going to run cold water and won't shut off. It works phenomenal. I tested all this. It works really good. But just kind of a teaser of what's to come here. Like I said, I got this as 12 volt DC. It works phenomenal. Hooked up to the Bluetti EB3 power station. So just like I said, a little bit of a teaser of what's to come.